God, I look hideous. Blah, 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 blah. Oh, leave. How? Do you know what? This is just getting worse and worse. It just doesn't look right. But I'm past the point of no return. Why? Like, up. Guess who's back and better than ever? Is it guilty? Let's go. This whole video has just gone down the poop hole. Hi guys, and welcome back to a brand new video. So if you haven't already guessed by the title of today's video, I'm going to be recreating a drag queen's makeup look. God help me, I don't know why I'm doing this. So if you've seen RuPaul's Drag Race, or if you've seen any drag queen ever, you will know that their makeup is flawless, like absolutely incredible. The talent that these people have is just absolutely amazing. So I am not that skilled, I'm not a makeup artist. I can just about do a really good winged eyeliner. I'm okay with a bit of eyeshadow and stuff, but the whole contouring and baking and all of that shebang, not my forte. I'm not gonna lie to you, it's not my skill. But I did see that, I think Glamour, let me get it on my phone. Oh, okay, so RuPaul's Drag Race actually has their own YouTube channel, which I did not know. Oh my god, there's gonna be so many makeup looks I can recreate. So this makeup look I'm going to be following is by Jackie Cox. Jackie Cox left last week and I absolutely adored her. So I'll post a picture of the makeup look that I'm going to be creating here. Yeah, how I'm gonna do that. I've got my glue, because I know that they glue their eyebrows up, but I've got Prick Stick. I don't know if you can use this on your eyebrows. It doesn't say, funnily enough, if it's eyebrow safe, but that's all I have. So I'm gonna Google if I can use Prick Stick on my eyebrow, because I don't want to have my eyebrows fall off. It is safe to use, apparently. Oh my god, okay, so I'm gonna get the YouTube video. Okay, he's shaving. I'm obviously not gonna shave, because I don't need to shave my face. Oh, he needs tape! I need tape! We got the tape. God, he's got a lot of hair, really. What I call right. Keep the corner of my real brow. Right, he's glued his eyebrows down, so I'm gonna take my glasses off. I cannot see in the viewfinder at all. We are past the point of no return. Oh my god, this feels horrendous. What if I have an allergic reaction? Oh, it feels so horrible. It's starting to tingle. Is it meant to tingle? Tape. Love tape. Love this. I do this all the time. That noise is one of my favourite sounds, because it reminds me of when I was little and I would hear my mum wrapping my birthday presents or Christmas presents downstairs. That is a big strip of tape. I feel like it's going to go in my hair. Oh, he goes under his eye. Okay. I don't have paint. Oh my god, he's covering his eyebrow. What is happening? Okay, I don't have white paint. Do I have white paint? I should have probably thought this through before I started filming. Do I even have a white... Oh, I've got a contour kit. Would that work? Maybe that would work. If I use like the lightest shade. Is there white in here? That's shimmery. There's a yellow. I might use a yellow. We are improvising. Right, so I've got this, you know that TikTok was like, I've got this makeup palette and this contour stick.
I have this contour palette and this contour stick.
I regret buying both. I've got this Revolution contour palette. So I'm gonna use the yellow in that, and then I'm just gonna pat it out with a white eye thing. Oh god. Oh god, it's starting. He goes like up to his eyebrow. Oh my god. Do I look like a drag queen yet? Can you see what I've done? Oh god. Let's hope it looks better. Do you know what? It has to be worse before it gets better. Right, so he then goes with a white eyeshadow, which I've got like, I don't know if they even have this anymore. It's the Bare Minerals, the Regal Wardrobe. I'm not going to show you because it's so dirty and disgusting, but it has a white in there. It's the only white I have. So I'm just going to go over this. Oh god, do you know when you start something, you're like, why did I start this? I shouldn't have started this. Right, then he takes a creamy contour on his forehead. Let's do this colour. And then he puts it like on his forehead. I don't know. Oh, do you know what? No. No, I thought for a second it was looking nice, but then I got closer to the mirror and I was like, no.
Just a little bigger than that.
So honey golden brown. I've got the, it's all rubbed off because I use it so much. I've got the Naked Urban Decay Heat, and honey golden brown is my favourite shade. So I'm gonna use the shade Low Blow, and I've got these makeup brushes, which I called you spicy because I'm spicy. So it's like there. It's quite high up. Oh, this is also very, oh, it's not honey golden. It's more like a burnt toast. I have no idea what he just said at all. Basically, the white is gonna be your brow bone. So that's where my brow bone is any, oh God, oh God. Oh God, 18 minutes, and all I've accomplished so far is this. I have shimmer. I can do that. I can do shimmer on the inside. Let me go into my Mary Poppins makeup bag, which is absolutely huge. Look at it compared to my head. Can you see that? It's very dirty because I've had it for a while. Fine glitter dust, and he puts it like in the corner here, like, do you know, like those really nice makeup looks that you always see people do. That's what he's done, but. Right, so this goes all over this. Oh, this is a nice yellow. Well, it's not really a yellow. It's more of the honey shade that he mentioned. I should have probably put this on before. Oh, okay. Okay. Right, so he gets a dark shade now. What does he do?
A very dark brown.
Dark brown.
Kind of create
Add dark browns.
the shape, larger eyelid that we're creating.
A larger eyelid. So from here, I'm gonna start, oh God. That maybe? It is a very like, oh God, this doesn't look right. This doesn't look correct. I'm panicking now. I will not be doing this for a night out when lockdown ends, let me tell you. Oh my, I really do not like the feel of my eyebrows with this glue on them. Not a fan. Right. Doesn't look the best, does it? You know what, I am winging it. This does not look anything like Jackie Cox. It just looks like a cock up. Oh God, the brow. This is not gone well at all. But I'm past the point of no return. I will insert a clip of the current view that I have because it's just an absolute mess. This is the aftermath I'm dealing with of doing this makeup look. Yes, you are piled on top of loads of things because I don't have a tripod. And my mirror's cracked. So I'm using the NYX Tame and Frame brow pomade. Right, and he literally, so he starts off with his brow. Oh God, this feels horrendous. And then it goes up and then, oh, this does not look nice. I look awful. God, if you don't laugh, you're gonna cry, right? Right, so up and up. Oh goodness. So my card memory just got full. This video has just gone from mediocre to just worse and worse and worse. So he's done little lines on his, God, can I do lines? He's done lines on the, like, the inner bit of your brow, like going up. Don't really know why. Liner. I can do liner. That is one thing I do feel confident in. Yeah, I can do that. I can do this without the tape. I am a professional. Interesting. So you do the line where the tape is, but you do it just above your eyelash, and then you fill in the rest with eyeshadow, like black eyeshadow, and then he's gone like a little bit underneath. So I'm just going to do the line first, which I do feel confident in, just saying. Like that. Okay, do you know what? Okay, I'm okay with the liner. I'm okay with that. Like, I don't think I look drag queeny, I think I just look like a mess. So this is what we're currently dealing with. Highlight and contour. This is what I'm looking forward to. I'm using the Fit To Me Maybelline in the shade 250. That's pretty orange if you ask me.
And even when I was on the show, I didn't realize because we're in drag for so long, sometimes you need extra color correction to cover the beers that'll start going in throughout the day. Here's our heavier color corrector.
Right, so I'm going to blend my eye one up with the Beauty Blender. Right, so I'm taking a pinky shade in my contour palette, and I am going to put it right where my wing is. That's what he's done. And then blend it down. I would love to know how many times I've said, oh God, or oh, this isn't going right, or this is a mess in this video, because I'm assuming it's quite a lot. The current look, do I look cute? Blend, okay, so yes to blending. Boop, 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 boop. Oh no, the eyeliners, oh no, the eyeliner shadow colour has like been dragged out with the highlight. How does that look so nice? Contour sponge thingy. I don't have a square chin or jawline, I just have a chubby one. I've got like a 10,000 chins, so we're doing that side. People that can contour like really well. How? He's kind of like gone under your lip to make it look like your lip's pouting more, like a shadow. But my lip is already quite big, so I don't know if this is necessary. He's doing like 10,000 things at once, and now I've just got very confused. Do it yourself. See what you end up with. Eyeliner underneath your eye this time. Not done this before. Right, so he's like highlighted the top of his lip, like the Cupid's bow bit, so that's what I'm gonna just do. And yes, I'm doing it with my finger because I've got loads of excess. Pfft. Oh god, it does not taste very nice. Right, so I'm getting my nicest pair of lashes out. Where is my little lip? So I have this little eyelash case by HQ, no, not HQ, House of Lashes. So these are my most dramatic lashes that I wear on nights out, but they are quite like drag queeny. Okay, do you know what? I think it's looking quite good. Do I look like Jackie Cox though? I don't know if I do. I'm gonna just go over my, I've got browns and he's got a brown, so I'm just gonna line my lips with a brown and see what happens with this. Yes, I'm putting eyeshadow on my lips because I don't have any lip gloss or lip liner or lipstick because I just don't really like them. Would Jackie Cox do it? Probably not. Am I doing it? Yes. Right, I'm nearly finished. I'm just gonna add some glitter, like highlight, on my cheeks. Right, I'm just gonna try and fix this up a little bit and then I'm gonna put a wig on and then I'll come down to show you the finished look.
Category is social distancing. DJ, start the music. Social runway, runway. Bring it to the runway.
Ow. Oh my god. Look at me. I feel really confident, and I know it's so weird because throughout the whole process I was like, I don't like it. But looking at myself, like, this is the close-up. Obviously it's still not the best. I am by no means a makeup artist, but yeah, I've got my nice sparkly dress on. I just feel so confident, you know, like, got my bouncy flouncy wig on. I just feel like a very 70s or 80s disco queen that's ready to go out. So yeah, that is it for this week's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I had so much fun filming this. Let me know if this is something you'd like to see more of. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the video and follow all of my socials down below. And I will see you guys soon for a brand new video. Bye. I cannot get over. I'm not a fan of the eyebrows, or the eyeshadow isn't that great, but I'm feeling it. Oh, I'm really feeling myself. What has happened to me? I'm so obsessed. I'm feeling